To cancel a Zelle payment on Truist, it's important to know that Zelle payments are generally instant and cannot be reversed once the recipient has enrolled in Zelle. However, there are a few steps you can take to attempt to cancel the payment depending on its status. Open Truist mobile app or website. Log into your Truist mobile app or access your account via the Truist website. Navigate to Zelle. In the app or website, go to the Send Money with Zelle section. This can typically be found under the Payments or Transfers tab. Check payment status. If the payment is still pending, there should be an option to cancel it. Look for the specific transaction in the payment history, then select the option to cancel or edit the transaction. If payment is completed. If the payment has already been sent and the recipient has enrolled in Zelle, you will not be able to cancel the transaction. In this case, you will need to contact the recipient directly to request a refund. Contact Truist support. If you believe there was an error or fraud involved, immediately contact Truist customer support to report the issue and seek assistance.